Hello, good evening. My name is Lillian, the founder of the Genesis Science Initiative, and in this video, I will show you what a basic first aid kit contains and how each item is used. A first aid kit helps you to respond quickly to injuries before professional medical help arrives. So, what then is a first aid kit? A first aid kit is a collection of basic medical supplies used for immediate care in emergencies. This helps prevent infections, control bleeding, and manage minor injuries. Now let's move to the items that we need to have in our first aid kits. And the first one is the adhesive bandages. This is used for small cuts and minor wounds, and they protect the wound from dirt and bacterials. We have adhesive tapes that holds gauzes and bandages in place. We also have the antiseptic antiseptic solutions or wipes, and they are used to clean wounds, and they also help prevent infection. And now we have the cotton wool that is used to clean wounds and apply antiseptic. Now scissors, you might be asking, what do we use scissors for in the first aid kit? It is used to cut bandages or tips to be used on wounds as well. And now we have the tweezers. The tweezers are used to remove splinters or small objects from the skin. For example, someone broke a glass and then a glass happened to penetrate through his or her skin. You don't have to use your hand in removing it, you have to use the tweezer. Now for the gloves, protect both the helper and then the injured person. And the gloves also prevent contact with blood or body fluids, which can also cause infections in the person who is helping the injured person. And now you also need pain relievers like paracetamol in your first aid kit, because it helps reduce pain or fever, and as well should be used carefully and according to instructions only. Now the thermometer. The thermometer measures body temperature and also helps detect fever as well. And I bet you there is a manual in every first aid kit that you see, and it will teach you almost all the important stuff you have to know about it. Keep the kit in a clean, dry place. Keep it accessible at all times. And now let me just remind you of something brief as my closing line. A first aid kit does not replace a hospital, and it does not also make you a medical professional, but it can save time and prevent complications. Make sure you have one and know how to use it. Please have one at your homes, and also have some in your car, and also please kindly have some at your workplaces. It's very, very important. So this is what I have for you. So this is a video you have to check out. Feel free to pause, watch it over and over again. Thank you so much. This is Lillian. I'll come back with something more beautiful for first aid.
Any type of first aid, even if there's not any visual bodily fluid, you should have them on just in case. You've also got triangular bandages, which can be used for quite a few things actually, but slings is one of the main ones. You may have some ice packs, but usually that is an additional requirement that is added in after looking at a risk assessment. Also scissors might be an added requirement. And you have different shaped and size bandages, so medium, large, small. You also have some eye bandages in case anyone has an eye injury. And you may have some adhesive tape as well to help apply any dressings. Okay, so this is some of what you'll find in your first aid kit. If you do find yourself having to do any type of first aid, like I've said, hygiene is really important. So wearing your gloves, but also washing your hands beforehand and also afterwards.